just a more fun, fancy blow dry for the holidays. All right, guys. Happy 2026. Merry Christmas. Well, hello there. All right, guys, here it is, bang time. See those bangs? Now, I'm going to do them a little different this time just so that you can see. I'm going to do them straight on my face so you can really see what that looks like. Listen, I'm going to come up high and go down. I always like them sweeping. Okay, so, and I want to show you because they're not going to be as layered, but they're going to be thick and they'll still be pretty. But I definitely need to do this too. This one I'm going to need to grab a little though. I always like that little tiny triangle, like right here to go a little shorter. But I think that's going to be good enough. It's just funny how different a bang looks, different ways that you could do it. And you could just do bangs so many ways. I am going to do a video on bangs, just bangs. Do a little more right there. Okay, yeah. What you don't want to do, and this is really important, you do not want to take bangs and just go straight across here because first of all, you'll go too far and then you're going to have like a little Dutch boy bangs. You really want to make sure so like your eyebrows, like where the part of your eyebrows is where you take that hair. You see, I'm not going all the way here and coming straight across. You have to start angling it by that eyebrow so it's not straight across. All right, and then this side, I'm just angling right on that side. All right, and you know what is really important that you really need to know? Product. You need product. I'm telling you, people tell me like, Kim, your blowout lasts forever. But that's because I use product. Now, this is the other thing. If my bangs are too thick for me, I just take a thinning shear and I'll just go through them to make them a little like more piecey. All right, so here we go. I love this product. It's called Defy Damage and it's by Joico. And you know, I use products that just work. If I find something really good, I just use it and I want it on my blonde, especially my ends. I really want to get them in those ends, get those ends. And then I'm just going to do a little on my top, whatever's left over in my hand. Get it in there, get it in there, get it in there. Now, Davines mousse. Mousse is to hold my hair. And yes, I like a lot of it. And that's not that much, but I'm going to pat, 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 mix it again, pat, pat. I need to get my sides. And now I want to get those ends because I want it to hold on the ends. See, if you have a styling product that can hold, you're golden. Your hair will stay for days. And people tell me, like my hair, when I blow out their hair, it stays for like a full week. But if I didn't use product, it would fall out right away. Now listen, 90% of people need product, 90%. 10%, maybe they have great hair and they don't need it. Okay, now this is Wella oil. Love this, very lightweight. And just to put some shine in my hair, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Because the ends are like, I don't want to say over processed, but because, you know, I've had highlights and sometimes those highlights can grab onto those ends. Of course, we try not to do that, but there's no such thing as perfection with hair. You do the best you can with what you have and you just learn. You just learn how to be careful of those ends. However, you still sometimes get them. It's just a part of the, journey because we need to go through the process to figure out what works best and what doesn't. So you find out, does more product work best? Does it hold your hair long enough? And then I'm gonna use a small brush. And I do like to comb my hair all the way through with everything. Just comb it all through, get everything evenly distributed. And then you know the routine. I'm gonna blow dry it upside down. I want height up here. And I'm gonna use a small brush for the whole hair because I want it more curly because it's the holidays and it will stay longer too. When I do a curly, it stays better and longer because each day it gets a little less curly. So then I get like a nice smooth straight blow dry by like the 4th day. But product can hold your hair good. So that's why I use it. And that's why I love to sell products that work. And I don't just keep one line because not always one line has it all. So whatever has something great that I like, I'll order those things. Now, when you start blow drying your hair, too, your hair should have the shape. If you have a great haircut, you're gonna see the shape in the hair when you flip up. Like the shape already of my hair is drying nice, right? And if I did it straight, it would look really nice, or just a little flippy. But I will make it curlier. But you see how the bangs look really cute already and really nice? So, but I'm also directing the hair the way I want it to go. Imagine if you were not afraid to do your own hair. You could cut your own hair by watching my videos, Coach Kimmy videos to cut your own hair, because hairstylists out there don't want to learn layered haircuts. And I think that's just such a shame, because they could do so well and have a slew of amazing, spectacular customers. I have amazing, spectacular customers because I know how to do layered hair and I know how to do the 80s haircuts. Listen, Stranger Things, it's all the 80s, 70s, 80s haircuts. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all layered stuff. It looks awesome. It's thicker, bushier, layered, like, hair. That was that era, but it still looks so good. Everybody loves the Stranger Things. It's such a great, I don't know about now, but I know in the beginning I liked them. Now I think sometimes, shows sometimes could get a little harder to produce such greatness if you already had it so great, right? It's like kind of like the expectation is so up here, but then the storyline, I heard from people that the storyline is it's not as good as it was, but all the error and the time and the music is all spot on. So with the storyline, but you could tell me about what you think about the Stranger Things. I watched it the first season, I loved it. And I probably loved it because of the 80s hairstyle. Well, I guess it's 70s, early 70s and 80s hairstyles, music and all that. That's my era. So fun. Now, I love to use my fingers as a clamper and a claw. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Now, this hair will take so good. It's going to have a beautiful, like it could imprint just like that because it's a smaller brush. It's going to be curlier. And you want to think, what are you doing for 2026? Did you put any goals together for yourself to think, not that you have to make a resolution, but just to like say goodbye to the old and embrace the new, get better at doing your hair, make a goal of getting better. Practice makes improvement, and more practice makes progress, and more practice makes you a pro. Just keep practicing. You're going to get really good at it. Look at that baby. Got the height exactly where I want it. Let me see these bangs. I'm not sure how much I'm going to like the bangs if they're so straight because I like them more piecey, but we're going to try it. And I like to take a thick amount, just so you know, I always take a real thick amount in that front and kind of blow dry it up. And then I come down and then I flatten them. Look at those bangs. All right. Is that so hilarious? Yeah, that's hilarious. I was thinking like, who's it look like? But I was going to say George Washington, but it's not George Washington. But watch how easy. Look at, I got the fullness in there for them to be big. See this? But see what product does? And now I just push them down where I want them. All right, so that's how that works. And I like them a little croppy and shorter for a change. Shows my eyes a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm not even going to thin them out. I like them enough. And then this side right here is a little tougher. Okay, so instead of going this way, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go this way. So I like to make sure that I bring this brush has to come up past this hole. Okay, this is gonna be important. So you're gonna take it and go up past that part, just like that. I'm gonna blow dry this first and then I'll blow dry that, and I'm gonna keep pulling it up over the side. Now I want to ask you the question, why do you think I'm doing that? You're going to find out in a second. Okay, you see how it instantly like put volume in on this side so I have height on both sides? That's why you do that. Now I'm going to go to the back and I'm going to take it like a ladder. Take the first section like back more. Make sure you get those ends, comb it all through. Okay, I'm going to always go behind it first. Behind, and then on top. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Now, when you pull the hair up like this, see how I have this? Because I have such a nasty cowlick back there. That sucker just always is separating right there. So I really want to get volume here, right? So I'm going to dry that. And now watch what happens. See, it dries, it cools off there. And then I have that nice big volume right there. I'm not going to brush it out yet until after. And I want you guys to know 2026, what's going to be my really great, amazing goals. First of all, to get out of my comfort zone, number one, because if we're in our comfort zone, we're stuck. When you get out of your comfort zone, you're growing, stretching, and expanding. We as human beings are made, right, to grow and become fuller expression and fuller expansion as human beings. You know, it's like if you do something one year, you want to do it better the next year. And we want to be better than we were yesterday, right? There's things that you know you need to do, which for me, focus. This year's going to be focus and follow through. I want to follow through on everything I start. And I've been saying it now for a little while, but I'm going to be so clear and intentional. And I have these affirmations too that are so good, because affirmations are auto-suggestion and it helps your brain believe whatever you're saying that's imprinted. It starts to imprint it. And it's just so powerful, affirmations, because it helps you to think differently. Because a lot of times our auto-suggestion, our subconscious mind is an autopilot of whatever it's learned, which a lot of times it's stuff that our parents put in our U-Haul truck. I call it an invisible U-Haul truck in the brain. We want to get out of that. We want to learn how to have our own thoughts and our own minds. And you want to learn to be able to think for yourself and not have other people's belief systems stuck in your invisible U-Haul truck in the brain. We got to empty out bad, negative emotions. We got to put in good, positive things. So those are great affirmations. If you want one, just put it in the link below and I'll make sure that my assistant will send them to you. Yeah, they're really good, especially for 2026. And I have a ton of people ask me all the time, what are the best hair vitamins? What are the best hair vitamins? Now listen, I cut my hair all off and I did the Lisa Brenna haircut about a year ago. Look how much my hair has grown. But I take Hair Plus by McVita. We have the link below. And we also put it out to all my customers that come to Modern Techniques Salon. I'm the owner of Modern Techniques. And so basically, we don't carry them here because it's just easier for you to order them there. So just let me know. Just click the link below and then you can order them if you need them for your hair. Right now I'm at the very last one. Now this is the hardest one to grab, but what you do is you kind of grab it to the side and I'm like feeling it, right? Getting it on there. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Wrap those ends around it. Wrap those ends. There you go. Now you could dry it. And now I'm going to move that out of the way. And I'm going to do this next section. Get those ends. Get those ends. Get those ends. Now I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you this way. Okay. Now if I push that back, it will definitely be curly and go back because I did it up with a little bit back, but I also could take this and come forward and back, but I'm not gonna because I actually like that. Now I'm gonna flip this one. Get those ends. Okay, got that one. And then I like this one forward. I absolutely love when I'm done, I love to just blow it loosely all over the place. I don't want to just keep it stuck in one place, right? But I love the body. I love it, that little bit of extra curl. It's the holidays and just make it fun, fun, fun. A little more glamorous. All right, now I'm going to go to this side. So sometimes, like, you see it's going to start to go back. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it and then see, but sometimes I'll have to take that part forward and then roll it back again. You know, this side, it has extra hair because I push it over to that one side. So you just see. If it's not working, try something else. I'm really going to get this part, and I really want to get this back. So I'm holding it up, but back. Yeah, it's going to be good. All right, and then I'll get this last part. You see, I'm going to tell you, my hair feels so good because of the products I put in. And even with that little bit of Wella oil, it just makes it shinier. You could also set your hair with hot rollers. I could make it look that good with hot rollers as well. And it's a lot easier. So I am going to make a video because I just bought clips for my hot rollers that I haven't used in years. But I will make a video for you soon. And then I'm just going to get this last piece. And sometimes if I like grab my ends and like they're not all the way in there, so I don't get little fish hooks, I'll dry it like that real quick, and then I pull it a little bit more and then dry it again. I just pull it to the very end. Voila. And I don't really need hairspray because I put so much good product in there. But let me just show you. So what do you think about the back? Ta-da! Yeah, just a more fun, fancy blow dry for the holidays. All right, guys. Happy 2026. Merry Christmas. And I hope you guys get out of your comfort zone, get off of that couch, and know that you are worthy of so much more. Exercise, eating healthy, taking care of yourself, because that's also my big one, is self-love and self-care. Because I'm a strategic life coach as well, that's why I'm called Coach Kimmy the Therapist. Like, I'm really being intentional to do all my breathing exercises myself. I've done them over and over again, but not as consistent as I should be right now because I'm so busy. I think you need to do it more when you're busy. So 2026, make it your best year ever. And I can't wait to see you in the new year. Yay! And we'll have all kinds of great content for you. I am going to be doing a 12-week strategic life coaching for a course that I created. So if you guys want to sign up for that, you're more than welcome. And it's going to be awesome. It's limited seats. I can't do like a ton of people, but it's limited seats, but it's going to be awesome. And I am going to help you get out of that comfort zone. I'm going to help you to become strong. I'm going to help you to have confidence. I'm going to help you to want to self-love and self-care. Super important. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy, Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. God bless.